lots of money, man.
Those guys are gonna be really desperate. One way or another, those shitting horse wrestlers are going back to jail. That's what the liquors tell me, Randy.
Julian, you busted my cock up over this one. You broke it.
I swear I'll do whatever it takes to make it up to you guys, okay?
I can't hang out with you anymore after this shit. My dad's living in a fucking dump. Seats are getting ripped out of cars. For fuck's sake. My car, my seat.
Let's just calm down, please.
Get the fuck out of my car.
Fine then.
Bubbles, you get the fuck in the car.
Bubs, do you want to walk home with me? Do you have $2, Julian? Yeah. My